Ever needed to figure out exactly what changed in a specific commit? There's a command for that. The go-to command is git show followed by a commit hash. Run it in your terminal and Git displays the full details of that commit. You can grab a commit hash from git log. It's that long alphanumeric string listed next to each entry in your project history. Git show gives you everything in one view. The commit message up top, the author name and email, the exact date and time it was made, and a full diff of every file that changed. Green lines with a plus sign are additions, red lines with a minus are deletions. One command, complete picture. Two alternatives worth knowing. Git log p followed by commit hash shows the diff embedded inside the log output. Useful when you want surrounding context from nearby commits. And git log.stat skips the full diff and shows a compact summary, which files changed and how many lines shifted. You don't need the full 40-character hash. Git accepts just the first 7 characters, which is enough to uniquely identify any commit. And if you want to customize the output, flags like .stat, name only, or .format let you control exactly what information appears. Git show is your primary command for inspecting commits. It gives you the message, author, date, and diff all at once. Follow for more Git essentials. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.